When challenges include testing innovative technology, the question remains, does my product function properly and how do I test it reliably? Sometimes the solution needed to solve these test challenges doesn't already exist off the shelf. At Robson Technologies, your challenge is our purpose. As an employee-owned company, our focus is building partnerships with innovators like you to solve your most demanding test challenges. We work directly with you through every step from concept through production. Our in-house capabilities in design, engineering, and manufacturing create innovative and reliable custom solutions tailored to your test needs.
Our team designs and models your solution based on your test requirements and device specifications. Our designs are reviewed with you before manufacturing to ensure all your expectations are fulfilled.
Here at Robson Technologies, our team specializes in precise tolerance manufacturing. With our variety of high-speed CNC machines, we can produce a wide range of test solutions, from compact footprints to full benchtop applications. We are dedicated to the highest quality assurance. Your test requirements and goals meet the highest industry standards. We also provide full product support and lifetime service with every solution to further your success.
As a team, we make sure to thoroughly understand your concept and provide support through all stages of the process. Service is available after production, so you can test with confidence.
With over 30 years of experience, RTI is your partner, dedicated to your success by providing you with customized, innovative, and reliable test solutions. So partner with us. Let us take on your next test challenge, and you'll see why your challenge is our purpose.